What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new tutorial. This is super late because I'm pretty sure, I don't know if you guys still care to watch this, but you know what? I'm gonna post it, okay? This is the newest palette by Glamlite. This is their ice cream dream palette. So this is the box it came in. I already took the palette out, and Glamlite is known for having like really cute packaging. Some of it I'm just not into, but yes, I don't think this is gonna be permanent as far as like the PR box it comes in. I know the first round of it came in this, but I don't know if they have gone through that stock already. This is the actual palette, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like, this is really cute. This is the inside of the palette. It is gorgeous. I'm pretty sure you guys, if you've been watching videos on this, you've seen a bunch of people go ahead and do their review on this. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys how I created this look. Now, before we get started, this is actually, when you guys start watching the video, the tutorial, this is actually not the first look I created. I created something completely different, and you guys will see. You guys will see. I had to change direction, wipe it all off, but yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Also follow me on Instagram. I do makeup tutorials over there, little short eye tutorials, post pictures, you know, or if you just want to keep up with me, you know, I do post over there quite regularly. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brows. I kind of filled them all the way in. I've been doing that lately. I just go ahead and put concealer here so that way I don't have to worry about putting foundation there. For my brows, I use the Crayon Case, their brow pomade in the shade Ebony. And then to prime my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Plain and Makeup by Yolando, her eyeshadow base in the color B. All right, so the eyes have been primed. We are going to be playing with this palette right here. This is the Glamlite's most recent palette. This is their Ice Cream Dream palette. Looks like this. It is a full-on like whimsical color scheme. As you guys can see, it has all these nice matte pastels down here, some beautiful shimmers, and then it has some deeper colors up here. So starting off first, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is called Bubblegum. You know what's crazy is that I'm not really a pastel person, but for some reason I was pulled into this palette. So the owner of this brand, she made these to where it'll look good on all skin types, which I love because a lot of pastel stuff is so light. Like, I don't even feel like people who are super fair could get away with it, you know? Like, okay, next I'm gonna go into the shade called Honey Lavender, which is this purple right here, this color right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna place this here in the middle. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade right here called Green Tea. We're gonna put this on the outer part of the eye. Oh, this color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. Okay, so now this has been placed, we're gonna go ahead and blend. I'm gonna take this Morphe, the M562, and I think I'm just gonna blend the color. I don't really, I'll see if I wanna grab, is there something on this brush? What the heck? Okay, actually, you know what? No. I'm gonna stick with the same green tea brush that I was using. I'm gonna pack this on here because me trying to blend that out started like doing something funky. Okay, so I don't know. This isn't looking the way I want to. Like, it's like, y'all see how the color keeps lifting right there? It just doesn't really want to stick. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. All right, so the crease is cut. I'm gonna be very honest right now. I'm hating this look, but I'm gonna keep pushing forward. So I'm gonna take that green tea shade and I'm just gonna place this here to kind of just like start blending. What, yo, why does it keep like, okay, let's see, let's do this side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of some of that eyeshadow base and just place it here because the shadow just doesn't want to stick. I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough down the first time. Okay, so now it's sticking, but what the hell? What the hell? Bruh, this was supposed to be an easy look. What is going on? That don't look good at all. Like, there's no salvaging that. It just looked horrendous. Take my primer brush, go back into my primer, put you here. Cause I'm not redoing this whole damn eye look again. Like that's what we not about to do. And then I gotta go back into that honey lavender shade right here. So it kind of looks even. I don't even think it's the shadows. I think I did something wrong the first time around, to be quite honest. I don't know. As of right now, how I feel is whatever. I'm gonna go into the shade called French Vanilla, which is this white right here. It's really pretty. It's a pretty like icy color. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid. So this shade is quite chunky. Like it's going on pretty, but as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see actually, because this is a pretty light color, but it's chunky, and like as I'm grabbing, it is like kind of like falling. So yeah, this look is so damn ugly. I hate it. I hate this look. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I don't know what I hate about it, but I hate something about it. I hate everything about it. I don't even want to finish this video, but it's because I got other things to do today. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and take this side off and just redo the eye primer on this side. I'm gonna put on a wing. I'm gonna do a wing liner, some lashes. I'm gonna see what it looks like after that. If it still doesn't look cute, I'm gonna wrap it there. I'm gonna take this eye look off, do something else, and go about my business. But I'm gonna see. But so far, I do not like this. All right, so this is the look. I didn't even bother putting lashes on. What I'm thinking, I think I want to do another look with this. I'm gonna try something else because this looks horrible. Like the look is horrible. The wing is nice though. Ooh, I slayed that wing. But this look is hideous. So I'm just gonna do something completely different. I'm gonna actually do the other look that I had in mind. This one just didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. So, all right. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna re-prime my eyelids. And this time I'm gonna prime my eyelids like I normally do. Usually I kind of take it a little bit up higher. So let's try that. Eyes are primed, and I'm gonna go into the shade. I'm gonna take the shade Red Velvet, this one right here. And I'm gonna just be using this Morphe brush to go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna go into the shade called Black Cherry, which is right next to Red Velvet, which is this shade right here. And I'm using, sorry, the first brush I used was a Morphe I don't know. But this brush is the M441. The other one, sorry, it's wiped off. I'm just gonna go ahead and place this in my crease. This color is so pretty. It reminds me of Love Letter from Modern Renaissance, which I used to be obsessed with that shade. Okie dokie. Okay, so this has been applied on. I like this. I like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put the crease. We gotta cut the crease. Okie dokie. Okay, crease has been cut. I like that. This looks so much better. This looks so much better. All right, for the lid, I kind of want to just jump into this lemon shade, put it all over, and then fade this like dark or this black cherry shade into it. But now I just looked at something. I was like, you know what? My creative juices are flowing. Because for a minute there, I was just like, well, this is all going to hell. But I'm thinking of taking the shade Chocolate, which is this brown right here, and just putting that slightly right here, you know? You know, I'm gonna do the lemon shade first, and then from there I'll kind of see how I want to do that outer part. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take that blackberry shade and I'm gonna re-emphasize it here. I love how it's fading into that gold. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go into that chocolate shade. Where's that brush at? The one? Yo, my brushes literally have legs. Like, I just had you. Oh, that's right here in my face. Okay, I'm gonna go into that chocolate shade and I'm just put a little bit. Let me see if it'll even deepen up anything. Okay, no, I don't want that. No, 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 no. Okay, well, since I already did that to this eye, I'm gonna do to this eye. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit deeper, like a deep chocolate shade. It's pretty, but it's not what I wanted. So since I already did to that eye, I'm gonna do it to this eye and then like see if I can like figure that out. And to think that I almost just let this whole video go. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna tightline. I don't feel like I want to do a wing with this particular look and put some lashes on. I'm gonna do all of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look and I'm here for it. I love it. So briefly before I get to talking about the palette, I want to just tell you guys what I have on my face because people do ask. For foundation, I am wearing the newest foundation by NARS. This is their soft matte foundation. I wear the shade Macao. For concealer, I'm using the Clinique, their Even Better concealer. I have the shade Toffee. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Laura Mercier, the Honey shade. Fire, like fire. For my face palette or my bronzer stuff, I use the Tammy X Revolution. This is the Golden Hour palette. I use the bronzer, the highlighter, and the blush on my face today. This is something I recently just bought. This is the Sephora collection, their Micro Smooth Powder. I have the shade 60. Normally I use the Hourglass or the Laura Mercier one, but this is a good alternative. Actually, it's a really good alternative to the Charlotte Tilbury one because the Laura Mercier and the Hourglass ones do have a little bit of shimmer. This is more of like a matte. Doesn't really have much of that glow there, but baby, I look smooth and perfected. And then for my lips, I used the Juvia's Place Cola Lip Liner. And then for lips, I use the She Glam, their lipstick in the shade Deep Under, which is like this pretty like nudie color. And then for gloss, I use the Planet Makeup by Yolanda, her lip gloss in the shade Adore. Okay, and then let's talk about the bottom eyeshadow. I just took the what color is it? The Black Cherry shade, that purple that's like right here. And then I mix a little bit of chocolate down there and smudge my black eyeliner in that place. So yes, let's go ahead and talk about this palette. Let me just say, at first I was like, I don't know, because y'all saw the first look that I came up with. I think it was, I feel like it was probably more so user error. I don't think I did my base like I normally did and it went wrong. And then also I think the look that I had in my mind, the concept that I had in my mind just didn't translate. And the mattes that I put down, they were nice, like they were pigmented. It's just it started getting a little patchy there with that green shade. And I don't know if there was enough eyeshadow base there, but I just wasn't sticking the right way. And then that French Vanilla shade, that white shade, which is this one right here in the palette, it's gorgeous, but it does like flake. And I don't know if you guys can see, but you probably can't, but some of it has gone to like other shades. But with this second look, my goodness, I am in love with this Black Cherry shade. It is so pretty. And this lemon shade. And actually when I think about it, I have swatched this palette. The shimmers in here, I love how smooth they are. I used to wet my brush all the time, and within like the past like 2 years, I kind of stopped doing it. I didn't even realize that I had stopped doing it. But yes, this, I don't wet my brush or anything. I just grab and I place it, and it's so smooth. Oh my gosh, like I'm looking in the viewfinder and it is gorgeous. I love it. So yes, this palette retails for, I want to say it's $45. 45 or 40. I want to say 45. It's the only reason why I feel like I was even drawn to this palette was because of the way it was packaged. Normally, I am not too crazy about Glamlite's packaging, hence why I feel like I've never shopped the brand. But this was like in a regular, you know, rectangular thing with this cute 3D ice cream, and it moves. And then the color story is honestly really, really, really pretty. So I wanted it, picked it up, and I'm glad about it. I do like it, I do, and I'm excited to create more looks with this. I do want to play with those pastels again, but I need to figure out how I'm going to do it because that wasn't it. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.